In today's video, we're going to take a look at TLT on the daily chart. Now, if you look at the daily chart and where the moving averages are at, price is clearly above the 200, above the 50, and the 5 and 13 have been in a buy mode since back here. So that's why we want to look at pullbacks in this one. Now, it wasn't exactly a really graceful entry, however, because, let's see, I think we had a gap after we tested that support. Anyway, let me just show you where the zones came from. As far as support, 100% of this first swing down projected from the lower high, and then also the 1618 extension of this low to high was the top end of the support. That's what ended up hitting and holding. And if this low is any good, the big if, your typical target is going to be the 1272 of the swing into the zone, which means target 1 is 173.43 if we continue to hold above there, and target 2 would be 175.06. However, there's something else that you always want to watch on the flip side. Even though this is a bullish setup on the daily chart and it does have potential for higher prices, you also want to watch where the resistance comes in, that could keep that from happening. So let's look at the 30-minute chart and I'll show you what we are looking at there as far as what it needs to get through next, because you still have to be aware of the fact that we have, let's see, there's a retracement of one swing, a retracement of another swing, and then there's also a 1618 extension of this swing. So if the rally is going to continue, we need to clear this hurdle. And if it doesn't, and it starts giving you sell signals against it, then maybe you need to dump that position against this last support decision. But note that if we do push through it, again, the bigger picture target, let's get rid of this old target here, is going to come in with, let's see, this high to this low. And again, those same targets that I gave you from the daily chart, target number 1 would be 173.43, target number 2 would be 175.06. So yes, we hit and held support. Yes, it has triggered on the buy side since then. But now we do need to continue to travel beyond these hurdles, otherwise TLT could fail again.